Hey guys, it's Hill with Primal Pillars, bringing you the latest holistic fitness tip to help you dominate your life. Today we're talking about stepping into a new gym for the first time and just how intimidating and scary that can feel. There's strange new equipment, there's strange sweaty people, and you're barely in the door before you're already thinking about running back to the parking lot. I'm here to share with you 5 easy to remember tips to help you get over your fear and intimidation of the gym so that you can just focus on your workout. So let's go ahead and dive into the tips. Hey guys, I want to touch base today about whether or not you're feeling intimidated about going into a gym. So for some of you, you might feel like it's a really new experience going into a commercial gym setting. There's a lot of equipment you don't understand or don't know how to use. You might feel intimidated by the people around you just knowing more about exercise than you. So I'm here to erase some of those fears and just help you feel really comfortable walking into a gym and being confident about what you're doing. So I want you to remember AEIOU. If you're having issues or if you're stuck on what to do, I want you to ask questions. There should be a staff at whatever gym you're at, and they are there to answer questions for you. A lot of them might be personal trainers, so they will probably be pretty knowledgeable about the equipment and about different exercises. So utilize the staff there and don't be afraid to ask questions. E. Embrace this kind of new, uncomfortable situation that you're in. If going to a gym is really new for you, really just try to look at this as an opportunity to learn and grow and be comfortable in a new environment. So embrace this discomfort and know that it is going to lead you somewhere really positive. Ignore what everyone else around you is doing. It's really important when you are doing your workout in a gym. It could be really busy in there, but I want you guys to remember that just focus on what you're doing yourself. You don't want to get bogged down in other exercises that people are doing because first of all, those people might be doing things that aren't that great. Like, you don't know who these people are. You don't necessarily need to be taking advice from them. I think especially as women, a lot of times in gyms, if you look a little timid or uncertain, people can come up and give you unsolicited advice, and you don't know who this person is. Like, you don't really know what their expertise is, so it's better to just like ignore the people around you. Obviously you can be friendly and like social, but you don't want to get too worried about what they're doing in relation to you, so just focus on yourself. O. Own your space. I don't care if there's a really big muscly dude right next to you. It doesn't mean that he has any more right to be in this gym than you. So own your space. Walk into that gym like you own it. I think it's really easy when you feel nervous in a situation to like kind of skirt the edges of a gym and maybe just stick to like corners and hide yourself away. But remember that you have a right to be there. You can own that space. You pay membership there as well. So just be in your space, do your workout, and don't feel like you don't have any right to be there. You. Use free weights. A lot of times in big commercial gyms, like 80% of the space is going to be taken up by machines that are going to isolate different muscle groups. So I'd say a good rule there is you can pretty much ignore like all the machines in the center of the gym and focus more on free weights. Especially you with the goals that you have, you're probably more interested in getting a full body workout in every exercise that you do. So you're going to get a lot more bang for your buck if you pick up a set of dumbbells rather than go to like a shoulder press machine, because those machines aren't really going to allow you to engage your core, work the stabilizing muscles that you have in your core, and they're going to just really like isolate one muscle group. I bet you're going to notice you're not working as hard to do the same movement on a machine as you would with free weights. And you can also kind of focus your free weight training on using compound movements as opposed to isolating one muscle group. So what I mean by compound movements is that you're going to be doing exercises that use multiple joints. So for example, a squat is a compound movement because it's bending at the knee and at the hips. And a overhead shoulder press is also going to be a compound movement using your elbows and your shoulders. So get the most out of your training. You can kind of avoid the center of the gym with all the machines and go pick up a pair of dumbbells. So remember, AEIOU, ask questions, embrace this new uncomfortable situation, ignore what other people around you are doing, own your space, and use free weights. So I hope this sets you guys up for a little more success in your workouts, approaching a gym, and just getting rid of that intimidation about going into a gym.